Hi there, welcome to another STAEDTLER art session with Riaan. In today's session, we will be drawing a poppy field using STAEDTLER's ballpoint pens. If you have any questions, please use the chat box below or send me an email.
Let's grab STAEDTLER's ballpoint pens and make some art. Today we will be drawing a poppy field. Riaan uses the orange pen to draw in all the poppies first. Draw all the highlights on the flowers and patches of flowers in the distance. You can use whatever method you prefer. Riaan will be using a cross-hatching method throughout the drawing. Now that the highlights are done, we can move on to the red pen using the same techniques as before. You can start to shape your flowers better using the red pen. The sun is setting in our scene, and this will make the sky look warmer around it. Start with the orange around the sun. We will use the white of the paper for the sun's brightness. The orange near the sun should be light and darker further from it. Make the sky even warmer with the red pen, but keep the pressure soft to create fine and light lines. Use the light blue pen to shade the blue of the sky. Make the sky darker at the top by using the dark blue pen. Touch it up with a light blue pen if your sky's gradient is not smooth enough. Use the light green pen to add the highlights on some of the leaves and stems. for the dark green. This is going to take a bit of patience and time, so put some music on while you tackle this part of the drawing. Riaan is still using a cross-hatching technique to fill in the open spaces. Add a few trees on the horizon. This will give your landscape some depth and interest. Add a bit of brown to the trees just to tie it in with the warmth of the sky. Now we can use black to deepen the shadows between the flowers. Go over the greens again to fill in any white space still visible. We really hope you enjoyed this session with us. Please share your art with us on social media using all our platforms. We always love to see what you have created using our products. Happy drawing, and we'll see you in the next session.